Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to roll on a DIY bed liner. Not only do these coatings look great and protect against rust, they also provide traction in the truck bed to help prevent cargo from sliding around. Today I'll be working on this 2011 F-150, but the process will be the same for any truck. If you have a long bed, you may need an extra quart to ensure coverage and thickness. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional in your area. Once you've gathered your supplies, here's what you'll do. Start by removing any existing bed liner or flaking paint. In our case, we'll remove these tie-down anchors first. Next, remove your tailgate. This will give you easier access to areas that you need to cover with the bed liner. Sweep or vacuum any debris from the bed. You'll need to clean the entire truck bed with wax-free soap and warm water. Then complete the cleaning with grease and wax remover. This will prepare the bed for sanding. Once the bed dries, you'll scuff the entire surface to make sure the bed liner material adheres properly. Scour the entire truck bed with the supplied scouring pad and mask off the boundaries when you get to them to protect the paint where the bed liner won't be applied. Wash the bed out with clean water and let it dry thoroughly. Clean the bed one last time with grease and wax remover. With everything clean and dry, your next step is to mask off any place you aren't applying the coating by using painter's tape and drop cloths. This is important because you don't want to get the truck bed liner on any glass, chrome, or painted areas. So mask off the areas that you need to protect. Now that the vehicle is prepared, you're ready to apply the bed armor. If your kit calls for any additional treatments of primer or adhesion promoter, apply them according to the manufacturer's instructions. Open the bed liner and stir for 10 minutes with the provided stir stick. Pour the product into the supplied roller tray and start by applying the bed liner in the tight corners using the 2-inch brush where the roller will not reach. You can also use bed armor aerosol for this portion of the application. Next, apply 2 to 3 coats using the supplied roller and frame and work from front to back. Allow each coat to dry for the time indicated in the instructions. Follow up with additional coats until you reach the desired coverage and thickness. As soon as you've finished applying the final coat of bed liner, carefully remove the tape. Now we'll reattach the tailgate and reattach the tie-down anchors. Refer to the instructions for how long to let the coating cure before driving and use of the truck bed. A spray-on version of the Bedliner is also available if desired. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.